Okay, so next time we're going to be talking about chemical reactions and how we describe them in a way that makes sure that we explain how we can't break the law of conservation of mass. So I'm going to start with the real simple reaction, and that is just hydrogen. So elemental hydrogen exists as a diatomic molecule H2. Oxygen, same thing. So the air that we breathe in the atmosphere is O2 gas. And when these combine, they form water. Whose formula is H2O. All right, so let's do this with toys. So I've got an O2 molecule here and an H2 molecule here. So the red spheres are oxygen, the white ones are hydrogen. And let's try to make a water molecule. So I can take an oxygen atom off and then attach one hydrogen atom to the oxygen and then another one, and there's our water molecule. But there's a problem. This leftover oxygen atom. Now the reaction says that hydrogen and oxygen form water. It says nothing about a leftover oxygen atom. So we can't just make it go away. We can't just say plus an O atom because that's a different reaction. So what do? Well, what if we had a second hydrogen molecule? So we could, if we were so inclined, break that bond, put this one, and now we have two water molecules with, more importantly, so we've got two complete water molecules with no leftover atoms. So this is going to make us kind of change the way that we think about this, and that it actually took two hydrogen atoms to combine with two hydrogen molecules to react with one oxygen molecule to give us a total of two water molecules. And hydrogen and oxygen and water are always going to react this way in, by number, a 2:1:2 ratio. So you can read this in a couple of ways. Two hydrogen molecules will react with one oxygen molecule to give you two water molecules. You could scale up and say that they would react, if you had 4 of these, 2 of these, you would get 4 of these. But again, the 2:1:2, and maybe I'll even explicitly write the 1. And you could even go so far as to say that 2 moles of hydrogen gas will react with 1 mole of oxygen gas to give us 2 moles of water, or any multiple of that ratio. And we're going to talk a lot more about this in class. See you then.